So this is the Honda CB650R midweight naked bike. Nice touches here with the gold on the head cam covers. That bronzy sort of gold frame looks pretty good. This is one of the first Hondas to have a e-clutch, so effectively like a solenoid that changes gears for you, and there's this huge bit of piece on the side, which is kind of not sure really. Monoblocks, nice tint on the forks, should be pretty reliable. Cabling's fairly tidy. This is what it's like to sit on one. You have a TFT display, traction control, pass light when you go for an overtake, and the ability to choose different menus or different modes. And that's your starter. So for that, for a wiggle starter, that's some give in that, isn't it? Ooh, didn't even do that. Fuel cap's easy to get to. Very clear TFT. Paintwork is nice and smooth, and handlebars are pretty straight, so this is quite comfortable for doing a lot of distance on. But no wind protection. Then you don't buy a naked bike for wind protection.